Welcome everybody. So we all know that data governance is crucial, but what does it actually look like in the context of Power BI? As organizations move more of their data and reporting into Power BI, ensuring that the data is trusted, secure, and compliant becomes a top priority. Today we're going to explore what data governance in Power BI looks like, what we should monitor, and the key performance indicators you need to track for successful governance. So let's dive in. First things first, let's define data governance. In simple terms, it is the process of managing data availability, usability, integrity, and security throughout its life cycle. With Power BI, governance is a bit more complex because we are dealing with data sources, data sets, reports, and user access all within a single ecosystem. In Power BI, data governance involves ensuring that data sources are reliable, ensuring that data models are well structured and secure, making sure reports are accurate, consistent, and accessible to the right people, and managing user permissions effectively. It's about ensuring trust in the data and ensuring that the right people can access the right information with the right permissions at the right time. Now let's break down the key elements of data governance in Power BI. I'm going to be listing a list of KPIs and why it's important to track these KPIs and the targets. I'm going to be starting with data access and security. In Power BI, governance starts with ensuring the right roles are assigned to the right users. This means managing access to workplaces, datasets, and reports. You will want to monitor who has access to sensitive data and ensure that permissions are strictly controlled. Role-level security is also essential for controlling what data users can view within reports. My second point here is about data quality and integrity, because Power BI allows you to connect to multiple data sources, but those data sources need to be clean and reliable. Establishing data quality controls to ensure the accuracy and integrity of data in your model is key to governance. And regular data validation checks and controls are crucial to ensure the data flowing into Power BI is correct. The next point here is going to be about data lineage and metadata management. Data lineage tracks the journey of data from sources to report. It's important to have a visibility into where your data comes from, how it is transformed, and where it is used. Power BI's data lineage view can help you with this, providing a visual map on how data flows from sources to reports, making it easier to troubleshoot issues and ensure data transparency. I'm going to also be, having a look into the audit logs and monitoring. Audit logs in Power BI help track who's doing what, with your data. You should be monitoring activities such as report views, data model refreshes, and changes to datasets. This will help you ensure compliance and identify any suspicious or unauthorized activities. Okay. We know what data governance is and what it looks like, but how do we measure success? Let's talk about the key KPIs to track for successful data governance strategy in Power BI. So the first KPI is about data accessibility compliance, right? So this KPI is a percentage of users with the correct permissions. Why this is important? Because it's ensuring the right people have the right access is, the core for governance. If permissions are incorrect, you risk giving people access to sensitive data or locking out those who need it. The target here is 100% compliance with the role-based access control. The second KPI is data refresh success rate. The KPI is a percentage of successful data refreshes. Data refresh failures can cause outdated or incorrect information in your reports. The target here is a high success rate above 95% for automated data refreshes. The third KPI is report accuracy, which is the number of data discrepancies identified in reports. Accuracy is the foundation of trust in your data, and regular checks for data consistency between source systems and Power BI reports ensure reliability. The target here is fewer than 1 to 2 discrepancies per month. The fourth KPI is data quality issues, which is the number of data quality issues identified over time. Poor data quality can lead to bad decision making, right? You should track issues like missing values, duplicates, and data inconsistencies. And the target here is no more than 1 to 2% of datasets with critical quality issues. The fifth KPI is the user adoption and engagement, which is the number of active users on Power BI dashboards and reports. Tracking usage gives you insight into whether users are actually engaging with your reports and whether your governance strategy is user-friendly. We target here a steady increase in the number of active users each quarter. The sixth KPI is compliance with regulatory requirements, which is the number of compliance issues identified. This is important because in many industries, data governance must also meet legal and regulatory requirements, like GDPR. Monitoring compliance helps avoid fines and other penalties, and we target here 0 compliance issues annually. The last KPI that I listed for this video is the row-level security compliance. It is a percentage of reports utilizing correct row-level security configurations. This is important because, with sensitive data, it's crucial to ensure that only authorized users can see specific subsets of data. And the target to hit is 100% of reports should be RLS compliant where necessary. To manage all of this, you will need the right tools. Here are a few that can help. Power BI Service, which is the web version of Power BI that helps manage access control, monitor activity, and track usage. You have also Power BI Admin Portal for tracking audit logs and monitoring, workspace activities. You have also the Power BI Gateway, which helps manage on-premises data sources and ensure that refreshes run smoothly. You have also Power BI Audit Logs, which keeps track of who's accessing what, when, and this is a critical part for compliance. And for larger organizations, you may need third-party tools like Alteryx or Calibra to complement Power BI's governance features. So, to sum it up, data governance in Power BI is all about ensuring security, accuracy, access control, and compliance. And that does not just happen automatically. You need to monitor and measure key KPIs to ensure success. By tracking metrics like data refresh rates, data quality, reports, report accuracy, you can ensure that Power BI environment is both secure and effective. What governance challenges have you faced in Power BI? Drop a comment below and I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more data governance insights. See you next time.